welcome to day 106 of our Travel Trader series. And as you can see, it's very early today, and I'm already done with the day, and I will enjoy the beautiful sunshine and the sea behind me. To give you a quick update, I closed two trades today. First of all was US dollar euro, and we made 230 euro and 3 cents with it. And the next one I closed was US dollar Canadian dollar, as both of them didn't seem to go further into our direction at the moment, and we made an additional 106 euro and 59 cents with it. We still have open our wheat trade, which is down at roughly minus 400 euro, and our US dollar short versus the Japanese yen, where we are up a bit over 106,000 Japanese yen, or roughly 1,000 euros. So what I did this morning is going back to index trading. Market opened at 9 and we already saw and knew it would drop down, so I went in at 9 sharp with a short position, and within a minute I reached my target that I had for the day, closed the trade, made 1,027 euro and 50 cents, and then I decided to call it a day, grab my book, go out into the sunshine, give you a quick update, and yeah, we will talk again tomorrow. So in total we earned 1,364 euro 12 cents. 1,000 euro in a minute probably is not probably, it surely is a very good result, and we will have a look at the markets again and see whether we can get some more money out of it. Thank you very much for watching wherever you are. I wish you a great day. Looking forward to speak to you tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.